for the Utrecht Internationals at the Dutch Comic Con.
So there's a lot of amazing pilots across Europe that come to this event. So all the teams are stacked with amazingly fast pilots. So it's going to be a real challenge.
The course is very dynamic and fast, so it's not much technical stuff, no special movements needed. So it's a very fast-paced race.
And after you've done those 6 laps, that's your time. And that time will be taken from each pilot from the team after all of it, and that's your team average.
Basically like playing a video game in the real world. That's drone racing is.
I think the pit stop's going to be pretty crucial in this because you can either lose or gain so much time over everyone else, and it's going to be very much about staying in the air and not crashing out so you finish your laps and set a good time.
So the drones are coming in at normally a slower pace than they race, but we still have to be careful to leave home with all our 10 fingers. So we do it safe and as fast as possible, of course.
But the human element of swapping the batteries, you know, the stress of the team members, communicating, trying to swap the leapers as fast as possible, that's really exciting and nice to see.
Using a walkie-talkie to communicate with each other when the pilot needs to go into the pit.
He has the task of removing the old battery, I have the task of plugging in the new battery, and we see how it all comes together. It's just faster. So.
Team BlackSheep has a pretty sweet idea. You might want to have a look.
Our guys made a special system with a very quick lock.
So we have like a lock to lock the LiPo when it's in the quad, and it won't be loose on itself. So you can quickly remove the battery and exchange with a new one. So we've been having a lot of spectators, which is awesome. We're in the gaming area and eSports area for Dutch Comic Con. I think we got the most. I think more people are sitting down and stopping with us than seeing some of the other exhibits that are here.
I think what appeals for me is it like turns real life into a video game.
I would get dizzy if I were the driver or the pilot of such a drone. Not every gamer can do this, you know?
I can't say enough about the sport in terms of how much it helps young engineers to learn their craft.
You can see what the pilot is seeing.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah.
Especially the turns are like crazy.
At the FPV experience, people can experience the first-person view, and you can just sit in the chairs. You can put on the goggles like you're a real FPV pilot.
is something different, on another level.
It's awesome how a little thing like that can fly really fast.
A lot of people here coming in contact with the sport for the first time, and it's just amazing to see how people react to the really fast drones and how they love it. It's just great meeting all these new people, yeah.
I can't fly, but I like watching people fly.
They're going so fast, I didn't expect that.
Esports is growing, and I think this is growing too, so this could be the next big thing.
I think it's already catching on, right? Look at how big it is.
And we're going to be doing a spec race with these Vortex 150s. The idea is to basically give every pilot the same quad, and so we have a level playing field. These are tuned specifically for this track, so they should do really well. They're running on a 4S850 battery, pretty light, and yeah, they should do well. Let's see what the top pilots can do with them.
2, 1, race. So these quadcopters are exactly the same, only the rear light is having another different color.
This is the race one. This allows you to set your frequency and power levels for your video 2X. On the Vortex 150, this is built in. So I just basically program it right on the go without plugging in the batteries.
Yeah, it's not my race, but it's pretty good for flying the first time.
Yeah, it all depends on skill and how fast you can adapt to a new quad that you have never flown. So, yeah.
Pilots actually like flying the Vortex. They're normally used to flying much faster quads, but they were actually surprised by how fast these were in their stock configuration.
All right, so we're done with qualifying. We just put out the qualifying rankings, which is now seeded, the first round of eliminations. We're getting ready for Heat 1, and it's a good time for racing.
Now it's really gonna count. Palms are gonna start sweating, thumbs are gonna start shaking, so awesome. Can't wait.
Yeah, it went great, man, and we're up to the final, so yeah, we're very good. We're happy, and we're going for it.
Semi-finals went really well, and now we're on to the finals.
For us, semi-finals went awesome. We got in the finals, which is what we wanted. So now we're gonna whoop some ass and take that 10 grand home.
So in the finals there are Team BlackSheep, DroneShop.nl, NEXXBlades and Torvol Racing.
fell in love with FPV racing or drone racing and you want to figure out how to get involved, either come to our website, idra.co, look at our schedule, go on YouTube, search new videos, search videos of how to build, how to get involved in the community, and hopefully we'll see you at a new race.